Dear viewers, we are still discussing about the timber polish and timber paints. In all my slides from 1 to 14, I've been discussing with you the nature of timber, the quality of timber, the paints and the polishes are to be discussed in these slides now. From slide number 1 to 14, we have been through, and I am thankful to you to follow my TikTok channel, and also I request you once again to please subscribe my YouTube channel, like my YouTube channel, and share my YouTube channel to as many as engineers so that they can also be benefited of these slides. Now, in this slide number 15, we are going to discuss how to do repolishing and varnishing to the timber surfaces. First of all is the preparation, because this is in all types of surfaces. I have discussed also earlier that preparation is a must. In this case, in old timber, you have to remove the hardware. I mean, if this is a cupboard, this is a kitchen cupboard, or this is a almirah, or any type of furniture, if there are knobs or handle or anything like that, or hardware, you have to remove and expose all the surfaces. If there are holes there, you have to fill those holes. Now, a strip of sand, old finishes, or the paint is or polish is to be removed from the surface by stripping or scraping or rubbing. Repair and fill the holes and all the defects before doing the polish. Apply primer now. After the removal of all the holes, of all the cracks, and repairing the defects of the timber, if you find that the surface is raw and now ready to receive the process of painting or polishing on timber. So the first thing is that you have to apply the primer so that it can absorb the upcoming layers of the polish or paint on the timber surfaces. Just apply a thin layer of the primer. Now, painting is to be done. Use high quality paint. Whatever is best quality of the paint is available in the market, and you have to do the painting 1 coat, 2 coat, or 3 coats as required, as surface requires. So this is all about the repolishing or repainting of the old one. So we will go through the slide number 16 now. Please be waiting for that. Thank you very much. Dear viewers, in slide number 15 we discussed about the preparation, how to apply the paint and how to prepare the surface. Now we are going to discuss about the wood has to be protected from weather conditions also. This is very important, because in different weathers the wood can bulge or the cracks can develop in that wood. So wood polish can be used to restore the wood furniture, given a new look. I mean, if the polish is used, you can use as per the professional way, and all the precautions are taken, then it gives a good look and good nice look. Varnish is protective transparent coat. I mean, varnish is also a transparent coat and can be applied to maintain the previous coats. There are types of wood polishes which we will discuss in this slide also, slide number 16. Number 1 is that the water-based wood polish. Number 2, lacquer wood polish. Number 3, varnish wood polish, shellac wood polish, polyurethane or PU wood polish, oil-based wood polish, and wax-based wood polish. All these types are there and all are available in the market. You have to select whatever the client requires, or at your home if you are doing the painting, whatever type of polish or paint you have to use to do the, the painting or polishing of the timber. So this is slide number 16. We discussed about this. Now we'll go to slide number 17. Dear engineers, we are discussing very important topic on timber polish, timber paint and all that. In slide number 7, we will discuss uh, very briefly about the description of each type of wood polish, which we highlighted in slide number 16. So what is the water-based wood polish? This is a low odor, or it's not giving much smell, and also it gives the clear results. I mean, it's when you see that no texture, nothing is seen on the surface of the wood. It dries very fast and very quickly and has the low VOC. What is VOC? You know, VOC in polish refers to volatile organic compound present in formation of polishing products like floor polish, the car polish, the furniture polish, and all other type of polish. So this is VOC. VOC is low, very low in this polish. Lacquer wood polish. This is also very fast drying polish that gives a hard and durable coat on the surface of the timber. Varnish wood polish. Varnish is also oil based normally. This is very tough, protective, and enhancing the nature of the wood, and it gives a bright color. It resists the water and UV light, ultraviolet rays and lights. Shellac wood polish are natural resin based. I mean, this is resin based polish and it's natural. That gives a warm, rich finish. And it is non-toxic also, you can see. And it is fast drying. I mean, very quickly it dries, as the other type of polishes that we discussed are drying very fast. This is also drying very fast. Polyurethane polish, I mean PU polish, is also high durable polish and synthetic also. It's available in water-based as well as oil-based also. Now, oil-based wood polish is only made with the oil. When it penetrates deep into the grains and cracks and defects and everything in the timber, and it enhances the grain's color. Wax-based polish is also used normally in residences and commercial buildings, provides a soft satin-like luster and helps to protect the minor scratches. I mean, if there are minor scratches, it can protect from these scratches. So this is all about the description of the polishes I have discussed with you. Once again, I'll request you, the viewers and the engineers, to please comment on my lectures, comment on my slides, and also raise the questions. It will be helpful for me. I will answer to you by writing to me on the same slides. Also, I request you to please follow my TikTok channel. I also request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel, like my YouTube channel, and share my YouTube channel. When I will be uploading these slides, I will write the details and I will write the link of my YouTube channel. So I request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel, like my channel, and share my YouTube channel. Thank you very much and goodbye.